the co-founder and president of Xiaomi, has been teasing other brands and mocking consumers with how amazing the Xiaomi Mi Mix 3 is going to be. First, the Oppo Find X-like pop-up camera now supports 5G. Your last photo shows the phone with its status bar that says 5G. The phone is facing what appears to be a 5G test station. NR5G refers to the new 5G radio standard, which encompasses sub-6 GHz and mmWave technologies. The N257 band is specifically in the 28 GHz band, so it is mmWave tech the fastest, but the shortest range of the two technologies. Qualcomm already has two modems that support the new 5G standards and promise speeds of up to 2 Gbps and 5 Gbps. Presumably, one of them is inside Mi Mix 3, although there are other providers that offer modems with 5G capacity. Been suggested that the Xiaomi Mi Mix 3 be launched in late October, so the future of 5G without notches could be less than 2 months.